good. Good. I feel like I'm gonna report something.
I'm trying to practice.
What are you doing?
Kasi pag stolen, it looks more better.
Oh, sige. Do it fast. Let's go.
I'm just not taking so much pictures. Sorry, I'm just practicing for ano.
Ah, naka-video.
Yeah, but I'm picturing it.
Okay. Can I see it?
You can't see it because I'm recording.
Turn off then.
No, let's go up.
Oh, can we?
No.
It said entrance only.
What's the entrance to? Are you willing to take the risk?
Let's go.
I went up to that third step and then I went back down immediately because I thought there was someone there.
Should we?
Is there someone there?
Should we go upstairs? It will only be there then.
I double dog dare you. I double dog dare you to go.
Basta may pera na ano, punta ko sa taas.
By petot.
Lo, higher.
Girl, wala akong higher. Sige, 20 petot.
Higher.
Wala na akong pera, te.
That's risky. Then 5 pesos lang
50
iyan mo.
petot.
Higher.
Anong higher? 50 petot is not good enough for you?
Pwede na naman yung soy sauce. Yung seasonings ba yun? Did you bring the seasonings?
Did you bring the seasoning?
Uy, yung ano, Gmode natin. Nasaan na?
I think I deleted it.
Send. Tara sa taas.
Tara. Let's go together. And then there's someone there, no? Para kumayos.
Umita eh.
Coast is clear. Kasi, ano ba dyan? Di ba sabi ni Jules, detention room yan dati? Oh, yeah.
Kaso nagaan. Eh, gusto mo makita yung ABR?
Sige.
Tara sa taas. Doon tayo naman.
Sun is shining. It might damage my camera. Never mind. I can show you. Sun si mga ate. Where we got our friending the higher grades than our own grade. They're still looking out of the window. No, si James, oh.
Huh?
Si James.
Kaya. Sakit sa
Minsan,
nakakasakit sa ulo.
di ko maiwasan isipin ka. Denenene. Denenene. Yo.
Saan na? Sa TLE. Oh. Bangan mo.
Saan yung AVR? Taas?
Sa taas. Pwede ba tayo sa taas?
Pwede.
Ay. Basta sa taas yun. Tapos para siyang tawag doon. Ano yung mga tula, mostly nagaganap siya sa, yun sa baba. Ano yung tawag doon? Correct. ang sinasabi guys dun sa taas ng canteen. Yun. May ano?
Pagkain na ayun.
Ang ano, ang takas ng smell. Ako gusto. Gusto yung smell. Ito. Yan.
Wow, ang ganda. Oh, this is where they have the exchange students.
Tapos doon, may yung sa sounds. Ayan, dyan ka mag-ano ng mga pag sa... Yung mga mag-ano sa mga lights.
Ganda
Dyan
to.
na ganyan mga